the Bible says that everything that we see is temporal, and the things that we don't see are eternal. They are permanent. Everything that are not visible now, they will come to replace the visible. Everything that is invisible are more permanent than the things that are visible. But the things that are visible are temporal. The things that are visible will disappear one day. They will change their place. They will change their position. They will lose their grip. They will lose their position one day. And those things that you are seeing in their place, those things that nobody else is seeing right now, those things that are beyond your presence, those things will come and replace. They will come and replace those things that you are seeing right now. So your ability to believe more in the things that are not seen, to believe so much as to begin to walk towards it, to believe so much as to begin to bring it to pass. That is the faith that will cause you to be alive, and that is the faith that will cause you to be here, to see the demise of the walls and the new life, the new reality that you are painting in your mind and that you had walked towards. So that's how faith works.